So the next example is, if y is equal to sine square into bracket tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Here given function is y is equal to sine square tan inverse of square root of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. How to find derivative? So here substitution is required. Variable x is mentioned, so substitution is required. So what substitution we have to take? Anybody can tell me what is substitution required here? What substitution is required? So tell me what is substitution? X. Substitution क्या चाहिए? Anybody can respond? Tell me substitution.
Tan or cot?
So see, x square equal to, we can take x square equal to cos 2 theta. Not tan, x square equal to, we can take cos 2 theta. So then we simplify. Y is equal to sine square tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So now don't think only about 1 plus x square. If it is only 1 plus x square, we can use tan theta or cot theta. Or only if 1 minus x square, we can use sin or cos theta. But it contains both 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square. So definitely the substitution take x square equal to cos 2 theta. Right? There is no other function valid. We can use x square equal to cos 2 theta, or we can use x square equal to cos theta. So better choice x square equal to cos 2 theta. So then simplifying, y square equal to sine square tan inverse of, so what is 1 minus cos 2 theta? What is 1 minus cos 2 theta? Tell
Sin square
me.
theta. 2 sin square theta.
2 sin square theta. Then divided by, what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. Like this, right? This 2 to cancel. Then y is equal to sine square tan inverse of, so sin square theta by cos square theta tan square theta, under root of tan square is tan theta. So then it is y equal to sine square theta, sine square theta. Then how to solve now? Y equal to sine square theta you got. Now what is theta from this? Theta equal to, see, 2 theta is equal to what? Cos inverse of x square. Then theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse of x square. So now sine square theta, if you put theta as 1 by 2 cos inverse x square, so it will lengthy again. If theta is 1 by 2 cos inverse x square, if you substitute here, so it will lengthy. So any idea is there to reduce these lengths? Any idea is there? Sine square theta. If I substitute theta here, it is what? Sine square into bracket 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. So it is lengthy. Then instead of this, any other method is there? Any other way is there to solve this? Anyone can tell me? See, I will do it. So we know that cos 2 theta is what x square is substitution. We have cos 2 theta is x square. So then what is sin square theta in terms of cos 2 theta? You know that 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. That is 1 minus cos 2 theta is x square. So what is sin square theta is equal to? That is 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square divided by 2. Because sin square theta is 1 minus x square divided by 2. It is simplest one. So I substitute here now. It is y is equal to 1 minus x square divided by 2. So it is simplest form. So we differentiate this with dy by dx is equal to 2 as it is. Derivative of 1 is 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x. So it is equal to minus 2x by 2. So it is minus x. So dy by dx is minus x. Take a screenshot of this. So I can erase this. Can I erase the board? So I will give another example. Same it is. If y is equal to sine square into bracket cot inverse of square root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then find dy by dx. Tell me the answer. Y equal to sine inverse sine square cot inverse of root of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Then what we get answer? Therefore, what answer? Anybody solved? What is the answer? So see, I can take x equal to cos 2 theta. So what happened then? Y is equal to sine square cot inverse of square root of 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta. Bracket complete. So y is equal to sine square into bracket cot inverse of what is 1 plus cos 2 theta, that is 2 cos square theta, and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. So then if you substitute this, what happened? What we get this? Cot theta is it? Cot theta na? 2 cos square theta by 2 sin square theta. So cot inverse, cot get cancelled. So what y equal to sin square theta. Same again, write sin square theta in terms of cos 2 theta. That is 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So it is equal to what? 1 minus x by 2. I put this y is equal to 1 minus x by 2. So we differentiate with respect to x. So then d by dx is equal to what? 2 as it is constant. Here root of 1 is 0 minus 1. So it is equal to minus infinity. It's simple one. So take a screenshot. Otherwise you can take note. Okay. Can I clear this? So next example I will do. If y is equal to sine, so tan sine inverse of 5x plus 12 into square root of 1 minus x square divided by 13. Find d by dx. Find d by dx. Can you solve this example? So any idea is there? How do you solve? How do you solve this? See, observe that numbers 5, 12, 13. 5, 12, 13. They are the Pythagorean triplets, right? So no, 5, 12, 13. They are Pythagorean triplets. Their hypotenuse must be 13. So we can use 5 or 12. This anyone we can use. See, now if I write this like y is equal to sine inverse of 5x by 13 plus 12 by 13 into sorry 1 minute. Wait for 1 minute. Later. Okay. So, what is the example? Y equal to sine inverse of 5x plus 12 root of 1 minus x square by 13. So we can write y is equal to sine inverse of 5x by 13 plus 12 by 13 into root of 1 minus x square. So we can use x equal to what? Substitution we can use x equal to, we can write x equal to sin theta or cos theta. No problem, we can use any one. Suppose I use sin x equal to sin theta. So it become what? Y is equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13 into x is sin theta plus 12 by 13 into square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So then y is equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13 sin theta plus 12 by 13. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta. Under root of cos square theta is cos theta. Cos theta. So it is in the form of sin inverse. Here, this is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x into sin y. So like this, so I plot the triangle. That is 13 is the hypotenuse, right? So here sin x is there. This must be cos. It is sin theta now. This must be cos. So if I will take this part, this I will take 12. So here I will take this angle is suppose alpha. Please mute your mic, Redmi. Don't disturb. Don't disturb the class. So from the figure now, so what is cos alpha equal to? Cos alpha is equal to 5 by 13 and sin alpha is equal to 12 by 13. So it will be get now y is equal to sin inverse of 5 by 13 is cos alpha into sin theta plus 12 by 13 is sin alpha into cos theta. So then y is equal to sin inverse of, I can use this is x, theta is x, alpha is y. So it is of the form sin x cos y plus cos x and here sin y. What is the formula? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. What is the formula? Anybody can tell me? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y is, what is the formula? Sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y.
Sin x.
What? Tell me the formula.
Sin x plus y.
Sin, it is equal to what? Sin of x plus y. It means theta plus alpha. Let it complete. So sin inverse sin get cancel. So y is equal to theta plus
sin x plus y.
Over it is time over. Huh? So sin inverse sin get cancel. It is theta plus y. Theta plus alpha. So remember alpha is a constant. That is either alpha equal to cos inverse of 5 by 13 or alpha is equal to sin inverse of 12 by 13. But it is a number, constant number is given. So alpha is a constant. So now only theta is variable, but we want divided x. So theta must be the f of x. So here from this we can find theta is equal to what? Sin inverse of x. So this is become sin inverse of x plus a constant. Okay, I will say. Now differentiate with respect to x. So d by x equal to derivative of sin inverse x. 1 divided by square root of 1 minus.
Class नहीं हुए टोटल क्लास किस बात है
पूरा बात है तो प्रॉब्लम आएगा नहीं प्रॉब्लम. I think you solved that. So what answer? The final answer will be dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square plus 0. that is root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so I will give one more example for homework. That is, if y is equal to cos inverse of that is 8 by, so 8x plus 15 root of 1 minus x square by 17. Find divided x. Try in home. Another homework is, if y is equal to tan inverse of square bracket root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x divided by root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x divided x. Find divided x. One more third one is, if y is equal to uh, tan inverse of square root of 1 plus cos x divided by 2. Find divided x. So not tan inverse, it is. Okay, you can try this in home. So next remaining examples we'll see in the next class. Thank you for attending the class. Meeting any current. Stop share करो. हाँ, stop वीडियो करो.